Hi, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching this short video while I'm taking attendance. I just wanted to talk to you about subtraction. We're starting subtraction today, and it's exciting. You already know a lot about this. I'm pretty confident that this will move pretty quickly too. I just need to make sure that you don't have any misconceptions, some common things that kids have issues with. So this is just a preview of where we're going to go. What is subtraction? Well, simply, boys and girls, it is where you start with the largest number and you take part of it away. That's all it is. In addition, you have two smaller groups of things and you put them together, and that's addition. And subtraction just undoes that. You take part of it and you just take it away. So think of it like here's your giant, big, huge number. Like, for instance, if you had 15,284, and all you're going to do is take parts of it away. Can you take away, let's see, if we're going to subtract, let's say, 9,583. So what if I just need to take the chunks? Now, you could take all of it. You could take 9,583 away all at once. Or you can think of this in expanded form. It could be 9,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 3. And you can just expand it and then take just one part away at a time. You could start taking away the thousands part, or you could take away the hundreds part, or you could take the tens part, or you could take the ones part. It doesn't matter. So here's your ones or your units, here's tens, here's hundreds, HTO, and here's thousands, which is really the 1,000th place. But okay, this number has a 10,000th place. So it's obviously bigger because it does have a 10,000th place. This number has only, here, let me get a different color. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So this number is obviously the biggest one, the 15,284. All right, so at any rate, you could start anywhere you want. You could do the thousands, you could start with hundreds, you could start with tens, you could start with ones. So I'm just going to start with the thousands. So I'm going to take a huge chunk of this out because there are 15 thousands. I can't do just the 5,000 and take 9 away because 5, if I have 5 things and I take 9 away, that is impossible. You cannot do it. Like, for instance, I wish I had pictures. Nope, I can do this. I can make pictures. If I have 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can I take 9 of them away? Let's see. Can I take 9 of them away? I don't think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I can only take 5 away. But what if I borrowed? What if I regrouped? What if I took from the 15? If I take that, then I would have more, and I could do it. So if I add 10 from the 10,000th place, and I had 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I already had the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I could take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many thousands do I have left? So if I'm going to take a chunk out of this big giant circle, let's see, 9,000 looks like about this much. If I take the 9,000 away and I cut that out of the circle, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will have 6,000 left. So my new number in the large number is 6,284. So I took away the 9,000. Well, let's look at the 500. Can I do 500? I don't know. That looks kind of tricky because my new number is 6,284. I think if I erase my old number, that might help you. But maybe if I just cross it out a little more, that number's gone. Okay, I now have 6,284. Should I do the 500? You know what? I'm going to go with the 3 because it looks really easy. I only have 4 there. So I think this time I'm just going to take away -3, and it's probably just this little chunk right here because 3 is 3 ones. It's pretty small. It's probably even smaller than that, but I can't draw that small. So I have 4 ones, and if I take 3 away, well, if I had just 4, oh goodness, let me see, can I get rid of these things? Yes, I can. Ooh, yay me. Okay, so if I take away, I have 4 things. This time I'll do smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I take 4 of them away, no, I'm taking 3 away. I had 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 1. Okay, so my new number that I have left in this big space is 6,281 because there's the ones. Now, hey, I'm done with the ones. I think it would be really cool to now do, I know this is getting really confusing. Let me get rid of that. And we don't need to know that's the 10,000s place anymore. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the smiley faces because we're done with the ones. Now I need to go back to my original color, which I think was this color. Put that back. Okay. 6,281. Oh, you know what? That's same. I think I'm going to take away the 80. That looks really easy. Let me pick a new color. How about pink? Okay, so if I'm taking away 80, let's see, I need another chunk. Let's go here. We'll take 80 away from this big, huge, giant number. I'm only looking at that place value, and I already have an 8 there. Well, the number's the same. So if I have 8 groups of 10, 1 10 stick, 2 10 stick, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, and I take all 80 away, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, oh, I'm left with 0 in that place. Okay, that works. All right, so that number's gone. My new number is 6,201. Okay, so now I'm done with the 80. So now all I'm left is this hard 500 thing. How am I going to do that? How am I going to take away a big chunk of 500? It's going to be a little bit of a trick. Huh. Sorry, I'm erasing because I'm giving myself thinking time. All right, boys and girls, I hope you're really thinking about this. I think 2 is too small. I'm going to have 2, oops, I'm still on eraser. I'm going to have 2 100 boards. They're flat. It's where you have 10 10 sticks all in making one big board. So just pretend there's 10 10s there. I only have 200s. Can I take away 5 away from the 2? Oh, no, you can't. There's only 2. You can't take 5 away from the 2. Sometimes 4th graders say 3 because they think, oh, 5 is the bigger number. 5 take away 2 is 3. No, you can't do that because this is the number you're taking away. This is the big number, at least what's left of it anyway. So if I only have 2 groups of 100, I need more hundreds. Well, if there's more on the floor, more on the bottom, you got to go next door and get 10 more. So if I get 10 thousands from here, it's really, I'm just going to borrow one group of 1,000. And one group of 1,000 makes 10 100 boards because I know 10 100 boards equals 1,000. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm running out of room. 8. Wait, I lost track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, my drawings are not perfect, but you get the gist. 10. And then I have these 2 over here. So I'll have 12. So now I'm left with just 5,000. But now I've added 10 100 boards to the 2. And I know I always say never put 2 numbers in one place value, but we have to because we can't take 5 away from it. Now that I have 10, 11, 12, I can take away the 5. So let's see, which side am I going to cross off? I'm going to cross off these little ones just because I don't like this way they look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many am I having left? What is 12? Take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 hundreds left. So here's my new number of what's left over after I took all of it away. 5,701. Well, boys and girls, I hope that makes sense to you. And that's all I have. All right. Peace out. We'll keep working on this. No worries.